Here I have Google Pixel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Google Backup feature on this device. So firstly, let's open Settings, then go to the System section, Advanced, Backup. Then you have to enable Backup to the Google Drive feature, add your Google account. Of course, you'll need internet connection to do this. So here you just have to enter your email or phone number, tap Next. Then you have to enter your password, tap Next. Then you have to agree with Google's Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. And at last, what you'll have to do is to tap Accept here, and your device will be ready to the backup. So yeah. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.